Plenty, we see how we Bro, making Ohio. Don't join my forever world. Best survival Nico one card. Ha ha ha. Okay. I think I'm going to play my own world. I'm scared much. You know what, guys? I think I'll add I'll just search all mods. Don't join if scared. Keep inventory. Dude, I'm back. What should I ask? Okay. Okay, now I think I'm done. Yes. German. I am not from German. I am not from Germany. This is no. I was making a new world. TNT explodes, red blast goes boom. Media spawn, required celebrity. All 100% immediate respawn. Base. Respawn radius. Thank you. Max 128. Respawn within this block's radius when you die and no custom spawn points is set. I don't know, bro. I don't know what that means. I'm just a kid. Drop 3 of 2026. Explore a new surface biome and find the abandoned camps spread through the world. Okay, guys, I think this is done. My sister's going to join. I think right now. You have to just wait, guys. You have to just wait. I forgot about these. Guys. This is going to be scary. Okay. Riptide enchantment will propel you through the air in the rain. Yep. I know that. That's the reason. Not Minecraft. Where's the scary part? Survive. Bro, what in the world am I on? Bro, I'm lagging, bro. I'm lagging. Sorry guys, but I'm lagging. I have to delete some of the words. Okay, so I have to delete this. Remove these two. one of my first. Infamous project. Okay, this is going to get out of here. Okay, I think I will delete these. Okay, now let's get back to the here. Oh my, okay, that's scary. Okay, be nice to animals. How can I be nice to animals when I need food? Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, nah. You see that? You see that? You see that, right? You see that. Here's the most creepy pasta. I see that. Oh, I see that too. Oh, I see that too. You think I'm blind? Well, I'm not blind. Okay, I'm not blind. Okay, don't, guys, don't call me blind. Okay, I'm just a chill guy that is going to just going to do my business. Haaland, he is blue. I swear it. I played this boy from the bears. Okay, that's okay. This one is cursed. This one is cursed, guys. Ah, okay. That I thought that's scary. I'm not going to mind that Hollywood. I'm done with that mode. Wait. Okay, my sister joined. Guys, my sister joined. Let's go. Let's go. Came from Germany. I got so many wood. Blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Aya, wag mine na tayo wood. Let's mine wood. I got so many wood. Let's mine wood. Let's mine wood. Let's mine wood. I have to get 10 wood. Just in case. Why is this cursed? Is this a cursed tree? I think that's cursed. Oh, I'm gonna make a crafting table. Yeah. I will make a crafting table. Don't make crafting table. Okay, Brian. Here's crafting table. What in the world? Medicine for skirt. Bro, look. Oh, bro. Medicine. Oh, this is scary, guys. Bro, I don't guys, this is scary. I'm gonna go. Let's just make a pickaxe. Wag muna yung mga axe. Don't make stone pickaxe. Oh my. I swear if the just watch, guys. I have a pickaxe now. Okay. Now I'm going. Sister, let's go from Germany. Okay. Let's go from Germany. No. Oh, no. I'm going to mine it with my stone axe. Okay. Now let's go, okay? No. Wait, just wait. Where do you go? Bro, I'm right here, bro. Bro, you're fine. We're in the savannah. I think we need to go to east. Okay, I don't know where it is. Ah, yeah, look! Look!
Look, I don't like that, bro.
Okay, I think should we go there?
No, no, no.
Dude,
No.
I think I will go there.
No!
No, no,
No.
bruh. Whoa, look, Aya. Oh, so much zombies. Zombies. Come here, zombies. Come here, down. Are you scaredy cat, bro? You scared? Aw, he's a scary cat. Ah, creeper! Ah! Oh my creeper. Ah! He's going to kill me. Oh, copper.
That's why I don't trust kids.
No!
There's some
Ah!
bad lucks there.
No, there's no bad luck. Copper. This is not copper, but I'll take it. I'll take it. I need torch. I need torch. You heard that,
Yeah.
guys? I heard some. Yup. I think I really. I come down here, bro.
But don't want to, bro.
Oh, I'm going to force you. Okay, never mind. I think you will just cry like a little baby. Oh, I
Hey,
just
I'm
saw
not
that.
a baby.
Oh my. I think I'm getting goosebumps.
Okay, I
I
will
think I'm
cutting
hearing
down.
something. How many hearts do you have? Oh,
One.
now. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3.
I have a heart.
I got a
Without
5
you.
heart. I got a five hearts.
Hey, can
Wait, where's
you?
the creeper?
Where's the?
Okay, let's. Ay, wag, silent ka lang dito kayo. Oh. Squad ka. Ganito sa Minecraft. Yan, okay. Oh, Aya. Kikil natin siya. Galing siya sa Moana. Ah! Galing siya sa Moana.
Okay, I have a.
Joke lang. I'm just joking, guys.
Hoy, kuya, di ako makakita. No.
I don't know. Don't look at the Enderman, huh?
Nope, I will see. Nope. Dude, are you real? Dude, really? Dude, I have a 3 heart now.
Okay. I'll make torch, okay? Be chill. You.
I'm an idiot. Dude, really?
Ooh. Oh, you fine now?
Yeah.
Bro, you're stealing my. It's okay. Take it. Now I'll just mine here. Ooh, so many coal. Ow! You want
Wait.
that?
Wow! I will give you my phone.
Okay, give it. Just. You saw that, right?
No.
No. I just. Bro, someone's mimicking me. No.
Bro,
No.
Bro,
No.
can you?
No. Someone's mimicking me.
Dude.
Someone's mimicking me. Oh,
Oh,
no.
this is spider.
This is spider. No. We have to place torch everywhere. Iron! Aya, kill mo nga to. Ilan hearts ka na lang?
1 heart.
Naday ka. Ay, dyan ka muna, ne. Mama! I just saw something.
I don't see.
Ah! Oh my! Ah! Can these things stop? Ah! My eyes hurt, bro. Bro, what in the blanket?
Bro, I see your nameplate up.
Yep. Just wait, okay? There's something that's going to eat my butt. Okay? Okay?
Bro,
Okay. Is there a monster there? Tell me if there's no monster there, okay?
Yeah.
I'm heading back to the camp area.
I will take it.
This is
Okay.
Spartan. Okay, I'm back with food.
Thanks, bro. I really eat.
Bro, you have to say really hungry, bro. And say thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
I need iron. I'll take the iron, okay? I give you food.
That's fine for me.
You don't need iron. Okay. Oh, more iron. Wow, good.
What a good thing.
Wow, only there. Come here, bro. No. Ah! Okay, bro. Why did I don't move? Oh, okay. Bro, oh my, why did we said that? Why did we said that? Whoa,
I spawned in
whoa,
I spawned
that's curse. I only put one
in
on this curse. But why? Oh!
Ginaya ako.
Oh my.
Merong dugo.
Okay. I'm gonna TP you.
Okay. Where is the cake?
Bro, this is scary. This is creeping me out. Okay. Bro, where's the copper here?
Tira mo, parang meron na ito. Ayun. Sino?
Something is hacking me. Something is hacking me or something. Something is hacking me. Okay. Bro, I am Dr. Godzilla. I think my face is Godzilla. Godzilla.
Okay.
Ding. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, stop.
Sorry.
Just do it. Just do it.
Okay.
Reglum creepy pasta. Pasta. I love pasta. Oh,
This is true.
I'm done. Ah!
This is curse, bro.
Bro, why? Oh, a creeper! This. Oh! No, not the iron!
No.
No, not the. Okay. Let's go. Gunpowder. Hey, this is my iron. Ah!
Really.
Is that the secret of the mimic? No, that's got to be the secret of the mimic. Ah! Oh, whoa. Oh, why punta ka dito, bilis! Sa likod mo!
Please, kill that guy.
Wala ka dyan. Eh, bilis! Tignan mo, dulo! Dun! Oh, ay, bilisan mo. Ohio. He's going to kill me. Sorry,
Hey.
Aya. He's going to kill me. No way.
Can you please grab the
I'll kill you. Let's go. I killed them. Did I kill them?
Dude,
I think I killed them.
Dude.
Oh, he's there. Dude, I can't go there. Okay, he's gone.
Okay, I will
Bro, this guy has so much health, bro.
Bro, can you help me?
Ah, no! I
Bro.
killed him. We're safe. We're safe. We're safe. Safe. Okay.
Our crap just as
Oh, more iron. Oh, more iron. Wow. This is an irony day.
wow, do you have a nice day? I have a sword now. I'm not scared.
You're really scared, I think.
No,
Really? Bro, stop
No.
lying, bro.
bro.
This is not scary when you're lying. This is not scary when you're lying.
Just wait for it.
Okay, he's going to AFK, guys. It's okay.
I'm just
Bro,
doing something.
where's Sirgan? He's supposed to stalk us. Okay. Why does this looks like old? Bro, get back! Get back! Oh my. Bro. Bro, I just saw. I'll mine this iron, okay? This is mine, okay? I find this first. Finders keepers. Bro! Bro, this is my iron. You ain't taking it alright, okay? You'll have the copper. Go get the copper.
Where's the copper?
This is the... Ah! I'm gonna suffocate. Ah! Bro, this is scary. This is... Yep, run. This is creeping me out. Run.
Run.
Okay, don't run now.
I see.
Oh. Whoa. Wait, whoa. You saw that. It just got dark. Some of the torches, bro. They are getting replaced. Oh shit. They are getting replaced. Ah! They're getting replaced.
I see that they replacing.
Oh, yep. Right. Yep.
I think that the
Yep. That's right.
Okay, let's play.
Okay, let's just play Minecraft normal. Oh! Some torch broke, look! Bro!
Bro, where are you?
Bro, I'm right here! Look! I'm gonna collect this. Okay.
Wait, that one is replaced.
Ah, run! Ah, di ko I cannot run because I'm my health.
Can you grab
Can I grab up? Come here! Now! Fast!
let's get here.
What should I... What you said?
You grab
I'm gonna take this crafting table.
bro, you grab a torch and I will build a base.
Crafting a torch. Let's mine these. This is going to be our... Okay, this is going to be our home. Yep.
Yeah.
Let's just block up the entrance. There. I'll be
holding this
a month, bro. A month?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Okay, I'll make something. Okay, I make furnace. Don't steal from me. Okay, please, please, don't steal from me, or else, bro. Don't steal, or I will. If you steal, I will cut you. Look, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
I wasn't that to me.
No, don't. Someone's standing here. Someone's standing here. Oh, that's my shadow because I don't have shadows. Wow, how lovely. Oh, where's my shadow? I think I just killed my shadow.
No way.
No way, I just saw a name tag or I was just hallucinating. I think I was just hallucinating.
Bro, I will craft my furnace.
Just scrap your own, okay?
Yeah, this is my furnace. No one's stealing.
Don't steal from me, okay? Wow! I'm going to get my first iron in this world. I got iron. I got iron. What you going to do, bro? What you going to do, bro?
Bro, I will give that to iron stick to you. If you're kind, I will give this to you.
I'll just ignore it. I'll
I
just.
have 2 iron here. I will give it to you if you're kind to me.
Whoa, someone do this. Why does this take so long, bro? I think I'll make. Can I?
Okay, I have 6 iron now here. I see iron here.
Smoker. Glass
If you're kind,
furnace.
I will give this to you.
Yeah, how can I? Blast. Glass fur. Oh my. Dude.
If you're kind to me,
I'm hungry. Wait, what? I never existed to you. Someone just chatted.
Yeah.
Jackie! I'm going to get back, okay? Just wait. I'm going to. And.
Dude, I'm scared.
Dude, how did I not? Okay. Good thing I.
I have 9 iron now.
Wait, what? Why did I spawn right here?
That happened to me there.
This is curse, bro.
Yeah, that's one.
Bro, is bro flying right now? Is bro Superman right now? Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
There. Oh my.
Iba ng effort ko.
Shit! Oh, nawala na.
Oh.
Kill it. Just kill it. Just kill the pellet. Just kill this sheep. And I get. How did he hit me right now? Good. Lil bro. I'm going to die. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, that's him. Getting food is hard. Run! Ah! Oh! Oh, I just saw that. Oh, oh. Why did he looks like the
Bro, look at that.
Kayuna? Ah! Okay, run, just run. Wait, I can sprint. Let's go. Wait, where is? Oh, he's chasing me. He's chasing me. He's chasing me. He's chasing me. Wait, he cannot chase. He's still chasing me. Oh no, he's chasing me. Okay, bro. He's chasing me right now, bro. No! I'm just gonna
Bro,
say
I
that.
can see your name plate already.
Hello. Nope, I'm going to run. I know stacking up is dumb, but
Really stacking up is dumb, bro.
oh my. Dude, he can't reach me up here. Come here.
Not even no,
Bro, why is he scary like that? He can't reach me up from up here. Yep, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I think he's gone. The witch, bro, is she even killing the sheeps, bro? I will consider that as a sheep. I'm stuck. Just run! I will run until I don't saw that guy. Ah, I got 1 heart left. Ah, bro, nah. Bro, is this curse Minecraft right now? Because I just added 2 horror mods because the one didn't work. Yep.
Bro, you got 8.
I mean, I got pixel stalkers. Oh, hello sheep. Come here. Let's go. Nobody mess with the best. Let's go. Monster. Bro. Yeah.
There's some join here.
Yep.
Bro, who is this, bro?
It's Jackie. Magano kayo. Para kayo, dalawa na nga, tatlo na nga babae. We have 3. Bro, we chill right now, bro.
Can I give her some iron, please? Please, I'll give her.
Wait, though. Boy, ay baka kuhin niya yung ano.
Okay, I'll take this out. No. Oh, bro. Oh, my God.
Bro just freaking stole my iron. nag-leave siya. Ay, nagsayang ka lang eh.
But I give her my iron.
I will unfriend him though he's bad.
What's that thing?
Ini-scam niya ikaw, oh. I'm lagging so much.
Kami ba yan?
Hindi, yung isa, yung binigyan mo na ano mo.
Kuya, meron Kuya, tira mo. You.
What the? It turned to stone.
Yeah.
It's from Hero Grind.
Kaya mag-place ka pa nga ng torch. Ay, natakot.
Ang bibigyan ko nga ito ng...
O, kuya. 400
Come on. Don't shut up, okay? Bro, why is it? Esto coal. I got 40 coal.
Kuya, meron na naman nag-place ng... Meron na naman nagsira. Tira mo. Multo nandito.
Oh, nakita mo yun? Nahit ka ng monster. Yeah, I want to be steak. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared.
Kaya napagamit ko yung call mo. Ay, konti.
Bro, don't use my doctor can see.
Para hindi
Okay.
siya matakot, binigay ko yung ano ko. Yung torch
Let's
sa
make
kanya.
door. Let me make a door. Can I make a door? We can only make fence. I'll explore, okay? What the?
Okay, napalit ko.
Why did you leave?
I don't
Hindi mo sadya?
Kaso ayoko na talaga. Na-charge ko to 6%.
Okay, that is barricaded. can I craft the medicine again? Oh, medicine. Okay. Egg. It's Devin KO. I think this is the good. This good. Wait, what? Bro, you kidding me right now, bro? You like horror mods? You like horror mods? You like horror mods, bro? Yeah. Even I want it. Me too. Me too. What's your real name? My name is King. It's King. I'm bro. Dean bro. I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Okay, I've been not talking for a while. I think it's time to talk. I forgot about y'all. I think I heard something. Oh, you think you're good at? Oh, oh, you're bad at ammo. Ow, ow, that hurt. Wait, let me die. Let me die. Okay, let me die. Okay, it got arrows. That's good. Bunker. Okay, bro, let me die first. Okay, finally I died. Wait a minute. Bro, am I going too far now? Okay, I have to remember this path. If the sun goes there and this is the way. Okay, Madagascar. I I think I'm from Madagascar. Think I think I'm from Madagascar. Madagascar. In I'm going to the safety bunkers. Now I'm going to the safety bunkers. Sneak, silent, sneaks. Again, sneak, silent. can make bed. Isn't this really in the game? Bro. Flying torch. Flying. If I can see that, he can see that. Bro, flying torch. I saw it said. Where is he? Where's Pixel Stalker? Bro. Bro, this is okay, somehow. Set respawn to me. Okay, guys. I think this is the end of the video. I think I will cut the video, guys. Will I do it, guys? Will I cut it? I think I might cut it. Caillou Massey joined the game. Caillou. What a nice surprise. Can I make a sword? I think I'll make these. I lag. Okay, you lag. Oh, this is still good.
I'm doing ice cream.
Bro, break bed.
So I can
Bro, just get to ding 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 ding. I go out. Okay, I'll go out. Never. 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 Bro. Oh, I forgot about this one. Wood piano! Wood piano. I'm gonna scare him. That's bad scaring people. Even though he's a girl, but bro. Okay. Bro, this is completely bored. Bored. I forgot about that. Okay. Magic and there's wait a minute. Do you guys think the redstone torch is just colored like yeah, it just looked like that, but and the reason why it's a torch. It's really a torch, but just colored it. Good no, good to know. Good to know, guys. Good to know. Oh, shrimp. Oh. Whoa, wait, whoa. Yo, this is scary. You saw that? That's. Pop! Pop! I need slab. I think guys, this is the end. Okay. So guys, I think this is the end. Anyways, guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Please then like and subscribe if you like my videos. And please comment to just support me, okay, guys? Please, just support me, guys. I please can I get 65? I mean, 100 subscribers, please. Please, guys. That's my dream. Being a best YouTuber. Not the real best, but I want just to be your best, okay? Bro, I'm doing my never take down the master. No, never take down the master. No, never take down the. Oh, that's what you want, huh? What you want, huh? Guys.